name's Nathan Griswold. I'm the founder and president of Inhabitect, LLC here in Traverse City, Michigan. We strive to utilize 100% native plants and manage as much stormwater as possible on a site. Be it a residential home or a commercial site, we're trying to manage that stormwater with green infrastructure, which is essentially managing water with plants and soils. Because we want to cool the water down and also reduce the velocity of the water before it hits our streams, rivers, and waterways. Inhabitect has numerous certified natural shoreline professionals on staff.
I grew up in Cleveland. I have a connection up here through spending my summers on these beautiful lakes.
I saw that there were issues of shoreline erosion and overdevelopment. I was fortunate to find a landscape design company dedicated to a sustainable approach in shoreline bioengineering. Inhabitect takes a hybrid approach to creating natural, sustainable shorelines.
We strongly believe that the best approach to shoreline management is through vegetation and soft armoring.
The seawall tends to be one that negatively impacts the neighbors, whereas once we go in and create a more natural shoreline, we are still protecting against erosion, but also protecting our wildlife habitat and not negatively impacting the areas around us.
Inhabitect uses coir logs along our natural shorelines, and this is a unique building material. It's made of coconut fibers that are rolled and stuffed into logs and are placed where the shoreline meets the lakeshore. We've had success with these products in both high and low energy applications. They serve as a growing medium. We stake them into place and seed them with native plants, and then eventually over time those native plants' roots become that structural element that holds the shoreline in place. In addition, we use a variety of stone sizes, not just standard riprap. So we have accurately sized material that is specified based on the calculations of the wave energies that we've put together for the site. These stone selections are made to lock together and designed to offer nooks and crannies for both plant and microhabitats for fish and other aquatic creatures. There is a distinct difference between hybrid, natural, and/or bioengineered shoreline and the traditional hard armoring shorelines that many other practitioners are installing throughout the region. Our solutions are much more natural and much more resilient.
It's better for the wildlife that are in that area, as well as better for people that are on the shoreline. Who doesn't love being able to step down to the water, to feel close to the water, and also to not see as much of human impact on that precious resource.